Welcome to MathQuens channel. Today we are going to see about polynomials. So under polynomials we are going to learn what are expressions, what are terms, factors, coefficients and what are polynomials. Okay. So first we are going to learn about expressions. So what are the examples? Some of the examples of expressions are given. X plus 3, 2y minus 5, 3x square, 4xy plus 7 are the examples of expression. In the first expression x plus 3, this expression is formed from variable x and constant 3. Okay, x we are calling as variable and 3 we are calling as constants. Okay, in the expression we are having variables and constants. In the second expression 2y minus 5 is formed from variable y and constants 2 and minus 5. Okay, and third expression 3x square or 3x power 2 is formed from variable x power 2 and constant 3. Fourth expression 4xy plus 7 is formed from variable x comma y and constants 4 comma 7. So next we are going to learn about terms. What are terms? Take the expression 4x plus 5. Here 4x is one term and 5 is another term. Okay. Take another expression 7xy minus 5x. Here 7xy is one term and minus 5x is another term. So next we are going to learn about factors. What are factors? Take the expression 4x plus 5. In this expression, we learnt about this expression is having two terms 4x and 5. And every term is made up of factors. 4 is one factor and x is another factor. Okay, the first term is made up of two terms. Okay, two factors 4 and x. So terms themselves can be formed as the product of factors. The term 4x is the product of its factors 4 and x. And the term 5 is made up of just one factor 5. Take another expression 7xy minus 5x. So this expression is made of two terms 7xy and 5x. The term 7xy consists of factors 7, x, y. 5x consists of 5 and factors 5 and x. So terms are made up of factors. Okay. And next we are going to learn about what is coefficient. Coefficient is nothing but the numerical factor of a term is called its numerical coefficient or simply coefficient. So in the term 7xy, 7 is the coefficient of this term. And minus 5x, minus 5 is the coefficient. Okay. So next, introduction to polynomial. So what is polynomial? Polynomial can be classified into 4 types: monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. So what is monomial? If the expression consists of only one term, then that expression can be called as monomial. What is binomial? If the expression contains two terms, then that expression can be called as binomial. What is trinomial? If the expression contains three terms, then that expression can be called as trinomial. Examples are given. Okay, in monomial, only 4x square, only one term is present. In the expression 3xy, same, only one x term is present. So if the expression containing only one term, that is called as monomial. In the example for binomial is a plus b. Here we are having two terms. A is one term, b is another term. And in another example, 4l plus 5m. This is also formed from two terms. 4l is one term, 5m is another term. Okay, in a plus 4, a is one term and 4 is another term. So, if the expression contains two terms, then that expression can be called as binomial. So, trinomial example, if you see a plus b plus c, if the expression contains three terms, okay, a is one term, b is another term, c is another term. So, three terms. In trinomial, we will have three terms. What is polynomial? Polynomial, in general, an expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient is called a polynomial. Example for polynomial, a plus b plus c plus d. It is having more than three terms, four terms it is having. Okay, therefore this is polynomial. And 3xy is also a polynomial. It is having one term. Okay, only if the expression contains one term, then that expression can be called as polynomial. 7xyz minus 10, if you take the example, then it is having two terms. 7xyz is one term and minus 10 is another term. Here, this is also a polynomial. 2x plus 3y plus 7z, this is also a polynomial. So, polynomial should contain one or more terms with non-zero coefficient. The coefficient should not, the numerical, the number before the term, it should contain, should not be 0, should be a non-zero number. Okay, so this is about polynomials.